everyone. Today I just stumbled upon something. I mean, I'm sure most of the Canva users, I don't know whether they are aware of it. I've not seen this yet on TikTok, and so I thought maybe it'll be a fun thing to share. Um, I'm on Canva already, so I just wanted to let you know that once you log into your account on Canva, if you go to the App Store, there's a new app a AI generated app which they have come up with. Um, this is one space I would say hug every day. If you go into Canva, just go into the space and see what's new, because every time they come up with something new and different, and I really love exploring this space. And today, when I was kind of going through it, I found this. It's called Patterned AI. And here, either you can generate a pattern with anything that you can think of, like you can just describe what you want in terms of element, colors, backgrounds, and all that. And then it generates a pattern for you. Or you can go to their gallery and they already have set patterns which they have already made for you. Like, for example, if you take this, cup and cake thing background, and you can scale it down, you can scale it up. The difference is the more you scale it up, it's kind of getting a little pixelated. I mean, I have seen that with the other images as well. So I wouldn't really scale it this much. I would rather keep it a little tight for pattern's sake. So, I mean, this is one way of doing creating it. Like, either you go to the gallery and see what they have already created for you, and maybe if you want to just use that, you can use it. But if you want to create something for yourself, like, you just press add to design and it kind of generates the whole. If you have given a file size, it just copy paste this pattern over and over again, and you don't have to make those ends meet. We all know the struggle when we have to do that. And if you want to make it a little more tight, you just do that. It changes the pattern, like it makes it more open or makes it more tight. So depending on how you want the pattern to look like, you can go that way. However, I feel the scaling is still a little bit tight for me, and I generally just want to explore my own designs on AI platform, because sometimes I find these designs are pretty much, kind of boring. But these are fun designs. Like, if you want to use them directly, you can do that. Now, generating is pretty simple. You just kind of describe what pattern or elements you need. I love animal prints a lot, and I work on animals in terms of my design. My design elements are mostly animals and graphic. So here, without talking too much, where I think I'm very bad at it. So here, if you go and type in, say, yellow flamingos and press generate pattern, it kind of creates a pattern for you. The more complicated you want to do it, play around, have fun, because you never know what you will come across. And this is the pattern that it created for me. They are okay, they're not that great, but the one which I created earlier, I mean, look at that. How cute is that? Look at the vibrant colors on the flamingo. I mean, this is what I got earlier when I did the same search. So depending on, like, you can keep asking it to generate again and again and again. That's the beauty of AI. So if this is something that interests you and you want to, like, you know, try figuring doing your own patterns, go for it and let me know how was your experience. And if you find something new and you want to share, please go ahead and put a comment on it. And I would love to try that out as well, because always something new. There's always something new coming in on Canva. So Keep exploring, enjoy, have fun. Bye.